Hey, hi, welcome to kidsolab. Hope you all are going well. Thank you so much for your love and support. In today's video, here I'm come with the second Christmas craft, which is called Wreath. This is used to hang on the door and windows. It is generally used to hang to decorate the Christmas day. Okay, so first of all, we need any color of paper. Here I have taken white and green color paper. Okay, so white color paper, now fold it in the lengthwise. Yes, and then do not fold the middle part, only fold the lengthwise, and from the top part after 2 to 3 inches just fold them to the in the inner side, and then after cut it likewise it is shown in the video till the crease are there. Yes, with a scissor kindly make the broad strips, do not make it narrow or else it will not look good and it won't be strong. So till the end we are going to cut this. If you like this video, then don't forget to turn white thumb blue. Now after this, open this one and keep the first face on the middle part and apply the gum on the plain side. Do not use the cut pieces, only on the plain side, and bring the other part and paste it over it. Yes, do not do anything into the middle part and just let it to be dry. When it is getting dry, then just fold them and join their ends. Now what we need to do, we will cut one piece, one strip from the end, so that we will get a piece, and now we are going to join that piece to the other end and apply the paste over there. Now take a red color of paper and with the punching machine take out some pieces. Here I have taken the heart shape. You can take any other shapes. Now paste all these cutouts on the wreath and then take a ribbon, any color ribbon you can take. Here I have taken white color one, and then you just tie it on the top or on the bottom part of this. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon for further notification. Now let's do for the green color one. For the green color one, we will do the same. First join the lengthwise and then from the top part just make a fold, and till the crease we will cut it from bottom to the top. The same thing I am doing here. Now open this and turn to the other side, and then take the one side to the middle part and apply the gum on the plain side, and take another plain side and put it over it and let it to be dry, so that you will get a cylindrical shape. Now just cut out the last strip and put the piece of this last strip into the other end and paste it over there, so that you will get a round shape. And here also we are going to paste the heart shapes strips on it. Next, take out some more long pieces. Here this one is for the green one, which are going to paste it over the white wreath, and the white one will be pasted over the green wreath. And then with the scissor, here you can see that we will just make a roll. Likewise we are making the quill, and then we will paste it over them. We will not cut them, we will just make a roll out of it. Now these green color pieces are pasted over the white wreath, which gives the more unique look over it. Now cut out the white color pieces. Very thin pieces are cutting it out, and then with the scissor or else with the pencil also you can do this. Okay, we will just make the quill and we will paste it on the green one. Watch the video till the end and do not skip any of the videos. If you are preparing out of this, then kindly send me the photo so that in a short video I can show this too. Now take the ribbon and cut a long piece, and again the same, You can tie it on the top or on the bottom. Anywhere you can tie this. This is a simple paper craft. Wreath can be made out of the original flowers, original leaves, original sticks, any of this, and also with the cotton as your wish, the way you want to do this. All the best for your class decoration. Do this lots more and more, and stay tuned for the next part. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.